How to create SunTrust Bank online banking account. So if you want to create SunTrust Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar you have to search for SunTrust Bank, and after searching click on the first search which says www.trust.com. Now you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner, and it will take you to the web page or the website. So if you want to create an account, then you can go to open account, which is on the upper right side. Now you have to choose which account you would like to create, and after choosing an account, here if you scroll down you will have these options. So again you have to choose which of the option you would like, and after choosing an option, now to join, you must provide your personal and contact information, including your social security number, and then your 2 years of address history, and your employment and income information. So if you don't have these, then you can't create your account. But if you have these, then you can simply click on Start Application. And now if you want to really get started, then you can simply click on Yes. Now if you are a client, then you can simply go to I am a client, but if you are not, then go to I am not a client. Here you have to enter your zip code and your promo code, but this one is optional, so enter your zip code, and after that you can click on continue. And after entering your zip code, here scroll down and now click on continue. And now here you will have 4 steps. So the first step is you have to enter your basic information, like you have to enter your first name and then your last name, and then you have to enter your citizenship. You can simply click on this drop down bar and then you can choose your citizenship. And now you have to enter your date of birth and then your social security number, and after that you have to enter your phone number and you have to enter your email address. And after entering your information, scroll down and here you have to enter your address, like where do you live. You have to enter your street number and then your this one is optional, and your city, and then your state, and your zip code, and your residence date. And after entering that, here if you scroll down, here you have to enter your occupation, like your employment status. You can simply click on the drop down bar and then you can choose your employment status, and after that here you have to select your source of funding, and then here if you want to add a joint applicant, then you can simply click on yes, but if you don't want to, then click on no. And after entering the information, you have to click here so that the information that you provided up here is correct. And after that you have to click on continue, and after continuing your first step will be completed, and then on the next step you have to agree to the terms and conditions. And after agreeing or after verifying, here on the third one you have to set your account setup, and after doing that, on the last step you're opening deposit, and after opening your deposit your account will be created. Simply follow these steps, and after following the steps your account will be created on SunTrust Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.